Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 17, 2022. Hard Sudoku. Third row, we have 9 and 7, 4. That three numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in another three cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, two numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column E and fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, column G, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining. 9 is confirmed here. Fourth row, column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then third grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row, three numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 7. Column D, column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Ninth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, column I, column G, column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G and ninth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have pair numbers 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Fifth row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. 4th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column C, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. In column B, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Fifth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then fourth grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Seventh grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 5. Eighth row and ninth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Eighth row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then seventh grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 7. Ninth grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. The ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 8. Column J, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column H, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Sixth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.